Is Forex legit or scam? In this video, I will talk about the basic philosophic questions related to Forex industry. So when you talk about Forex and Forex trading, you always need to think about demand and supply, something that is connected with price, something that is related to business, as stocks trading, commodity trading, cryptocurrency trading, any kind of trading. In the previous video, we learned everything about market makers, brokers, retail traders, MTF. We'll learn how Forex market works. And as you can see, it's a real business. But if you go to the internet and read newspaper and read a lot of articles, you can see a lot of news headlines related to Forex industry, a lot of scam stories. Because of that, I just want to tell you that Forex trading is legit and real business that can generate profits. Of course, Forex trading is not a scam. Several governmental and independent bodies supervise Forex trading worldwide, and they set standards for all brokers under the jurisdiction must comply with. The Forex trading is legit, regulated business as same as stock trading are commodity. But for you, and for a lot of traders who try to trade and lose all their money, they think, oh, this is scam. I didn't earn money, this is scam. And they really do not understand what Forex is. Forex is something that you trade around the globe. Whenever you go to the bank, exchange your money from, for example, dollars and get euros, or give euros and get dollars. It's a foreign exchange. If you go as a tourist in Egypt, or you go as a tourist in London, or any country, you will exchange your dollars for pounds, or exchange your dollars for euros, or some other currency. And this is the Forex. Forex is something that you cannot avoid. It's a real business. So there's no question about that. You need to understand that Forex is not platform trading. You trade on MetaTrader and this is Forex. This is the just tiny, small amount of trading capital around the globe. Forex is something much bigger than a lot of traders understand. The first thing that you need to understand when you talk about Forex as a legitimate business, or Forex that is not scam, is that it's a regulated business. On our page that you can see with the red colors on our website, you can see there are A grade brokers, B grade brokers, C grade brokers. There's a lot of regulation bodies around the globe, and they monitor that's brokerage companies. So all brokerage companies are regulated some way, majority of them, and the traders, majority of the traders, maybe I think 95% of all traders actually trade in regulated, reputable brokerage companies. And I know that because I know how each broker has how many clients, and this is not a problem. Of course, if you trade with some false brokerage company, you can lose your money, and it's that brokerage company is so small, without integrity, without any kind of reputation, without monitoring, that can be tricky, that can be scam. However, majority of brokers today, because this is highly regulated business these days, just work fine. But people still think that Forex is a scam. So I just created this video to think about this, and I created 3 major things that I think that's why people think that Forex is scam. The first one is wrong expectation. The next one I called that 95% of retail traders lose money because high risk, so problem with high risk issue. And the last thing, Holy Grail fantasy. So it's a little bit tricky, I know, when I just put it like this, but I just want to share with you. I don't want that you think a little bit about this. I know that you cannot see my face right now, but my face is not important. My words and my thoughts, it's very important right now, because you need to think everything that you know about Forex and think a little bit about these 3 things. The first thing about wrong expectation. This is connected with the get-rich-quick schemes. The question is this: what do you want from Forex? Is 20% per year enough for you? Is 50% per year enough for you? Or is 10,000% per year enough for you? This is the problem. Why? Because people make deposit at brokerage company, put $100, and they think that on the end of the year, they will have $10,000. I can tell you this: if you trade $100, you should have maybe $100 more on the end of the year. If you have any kind of portfolio, 20% is a beautiful result, excellent result. This is it. This is the expectation from Forex. But people think, okay, I will deposit $500, then I will find some special expert advisor, I will just press the button, and I will have $10,000 in the end of the year because this is the holy grail, this is the special thing, and this is the problem. The next question: 95% of retail traders lose money because high risk. So very often when you see the banner, for example, some brokerage company, see the banner, and below the banner you see 85% of all traders lose money, or 75% lose money, etc., etc. And because of that, people think, oh, the Forex is the problem. People lose money there, of course. People lose money in affiliate program. People lose money when they buy website and try to earn from the website. People lose money. Whatever you're doing, you can lose money. You can open a restaurant, and after 3 months, you can close the restaurant and lose the money. So it's not problem to lose the money. If you don't know to run the business, you will lose the money. In Forex, the problem is this: if you try to trade and you risk more than 1% of your whole equity, there is a high risk that you cannot recover your loss. You just see the screen right now. You see that if you have a 10% of trading capital one moment, you will need 11% to recover. Just look this. If you risk only 1% of your trading account, I guarantee that in one moment you will have a 15 or 20% of maximum drawdown in your portfolio. I know, because I'm a trader. And because of that, you will need 25% to recover. And if you succeed in that, you will lose all your money. And there are no Forex trader on this world that was successful all the time or didn't ruin at least one account in his or her life. So this business is risky business. If you start, very often 99% of all traders will lose the capital, and then they will try again. I know a lot of junior traders and really companies. They have degrees, license, everything, and they trade. And the first account they destroyed. And this is the reason why they get small capital in the beginning, because it's naturally. Even your risk is small, you can ruin the account. Not all the money, but it will be very dangerous for you. It's a normal thing. If you buy your first website and invest some money, there is a high probability that you will fail in the first attempt. Whatever your business you try for the first time, you will fail in the first time. But let me think about this. So people risk too much. Even if they don't risk in the beginning, on the end they will risk too much and they will lose everything. So trading is not gambling. You cannot use this leverage on this way because you will lose money. Look this, when you buy stocks, you can get leverage maybe 10% or some 1 to 10, for example, or something like that. And you cannot lose all money so easily. And because of that, people think, oh, if I trade stocks, it's no dangerous. Of course, you can lose money trading stocks, but it will be much slower than if you trade high risky Forex account. And the last thing is a holy grail. People think that gurus can help them in trading. There is the money machine and secret strategy. Indicators and expert advisors can bring the fortune. People think about this all the time. And there are no traders on this world that even one moment think just in mind, oh, there is some secret strategy no one knows. I will know that and I will be rich because I will find it out. And this is the very bad thing. I believed in that in the beginning as a trader. I created hundreds models and everything. And I realized that trading is always 50% probability that you will win or lose if you risk $1 try to achieve $1. This is trading. However, if you use technical and fundamental analysis and think a lot, you can create that probability to be 52, 53, 54, 55% on your side. But this is it. If you think that there is a strategy, 80% of the time winning strategy, you're wrong. Even if statistically we create that strategy, I know for a couple of strategies like that, it will be the strategy that one trade will exist every 6 months, one time per 6 months or one time per year. Something like that. Very, very, very rare situation. But on a regularly basis, it's always 50% to 50%. And this is the reason why my channel very often is boring, because I tell people that trading is risky. I'm telling people that 15 or 20% is something normal in trading industry, and then you cannot earn $10,000 in one day except trade with $1 million account every single day. And in the end, I want just to think a little about when you talk about legitimacy and about is Forex scam or not, to think about something else. What is a good return on investment? Whatever you do in your life, advertising or real estate or anything, you need to know what is the normal return on investment. Look this. Real estate is real business. You can earn a lot of money. But remember, if you invest $1 million, you need to know what is your annually return on investment. It's not big, because the big money are in real estate. Of course, if you're active investor, it's a 15%, maybe 20%, but average is 15% when you talk about successful accounts and everything. And venture investors, they can earn a lot, 500%, for example, but they need to invest $1 million in a lot of startup companies, and then if they pick right one, they can bring maybe 100, 200, 500%, 10,000% during the years, and because of that, on the average, they have a very high amount and very good return on investment. But I just say each business is different. Forex trading is different. And if you want to be a Forex trader, remember the best opportunity is if you trade other people's money. However, you can trade your own money. But remember this, if you have a $5,000 account, you will wait a couple of years to see $10,000. And I know that if you earn $1,000, $2,000 per year, it's not enough for your living. You need to pay the bills. And low money deposit accounts cannot bring you the beautiful future. And this is the biggest problem. You need to have a big account if you want the big money. And you need to trade, and you should trade. But in the beginning, you just need to know what is the right expectation for Forex industry. And in the next videos, we will learn new stuff related to Forex industry. And please watch this channel and subscribe if you believe in this that I just told you in this video. I wish you a great day, and bye-bye.